Today, La Liga all matches score predictions. First matches Elche versus Espanyol. Score prediction 0-1. A massive relegation battle. Espanyol has struggled recently, but Elche lack of goals gives the visitors a slightly edge to snatch a winner. Next matches Valencia versus Osasuna. Score predictions 1-1. Valencia is hovering just above the drop zone. Osasuna is coming off a massive high after beating Real Madrid 2-1 last week. Next matches Girona versus Celta Vigo. Score predictions 2-2. Celta Vigo is the league's draw specialist. Girona's defense has been leaky this year, so expect a entertaining high-scoring game. Next matches Real Betis versus Sevilla. Score predictions 2-1. The Sevilla derby Betis are in fifth and chasing Champions League football. Sevilla has improved under their new management but struggle with the hostile atmosphere at Benito Villamarin.